central AC. The problem is the dry mode works on cold coil, so you're overcooling the house. You can put the unit to dry mode, it will put the compressor to 15% capacity and on 150 CFM. But what happens is your leaving temperature of the coil is still 56 degrees. So you're constantly cooling down the room more and more, and 3 hours later the house is 68 degrees.
So today we have convened to discuss how ventilation systems, if designed with circular economy principles in mind, can actually drive that meaningful change, whether that is greater energy efficiency or minimizing waste, or even ensuring that the billions of people who depend upon the built environment are able to have comfortable, healthy, and safe environments to live in.
Many of us are here together to accelerate solutions to climate resilience and sustainability, which is something the COP presidency in Brazil is trying to do as well.
In our work on circular economy through UNCTAD, the UK Sustainable Manufacturing and Environmental Pollution Program, we're seeing these risks and challenges up close. Since 2019, we have 27 projects in 5 of the most polluting industries globally.
That's exactly what we do. We try to bridge what we perceive are the needs of different countries to comply with their climate commitments under the international climate regime, and the needs of businesses in order to be in a position to contribute to those goals. I think the transition to sustainability is a sort of economic revolution.
One of the first passive house consultants in our region, and the first 100 in the country. And I've been doing nothing but passive house and passive house inspired buildings since then. Except for the 1/3 of my time in which I do expert witness work, in which on the one side I'm building exceptional buildings, and on the other side I'm busting people whose homes are built by people who can't even meet code, and the houses are rotting within the first few years of their life.
We work with a lot of institutional and affordable housing clients, and we believe that architecture should be intentional, structures that should last, things that are effective and easy to maintain, and minimize energy use over the lifetime of the building. From the very beginning, we have to think of these in mind, these principles in mind. And in new construction, we might prioritize making efficient designs with fewer materials and less energy. We'll also be careful at selecting materials that are durable, non-toxic, recyclable.
I am a sustainability architect here in New York City, and I've been practicing for over 30 years. And over the past two decades, I've had my own firm, and we've specialized in passive house sustainable architecture. And what happened was, I think back in 2015, when we realized the incredible benefits that it had to our private clients, we just felt compelled to share this knowledge even farther. If we want to talk about circularity, we really need to reach a much greater sector than within our industry bubble of architecture and the AEC industry.
Thank you so much, everyone.